Don't resist. Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Do you have your driver's license?
Let me tell you something. I am pregnant.
Okay.
Get out of my face.
A jealous ex lets insecurity turn into a public scene and refuses to back down. That confidence crumbles fast in front of no-nonsense cops in When Dumb Jealous Ex is Humiliated by No-Nonsense Cops. On October 31st, 2025, Halloween night, a tense call sent officers to a home after a sudden break-in, shouted accusations, and a frantic rush toward the doorway. Something waited.
Hold on. We ain't going anywhere. All right. We ain't going anywhere right now, okay? We ain't going anywhere right now, all right?
He was hitting me and throwing me to the ground.
Okay, relax.
Because I found him watching last night.
Okay, all right, relax, okay? We're gonna figure out what's going on.
Let me just go home.
Go ahead, I'm in contact with your girlfriend. Okay, whoa.
I never want to see him again.
Okay.
I want to get out of this house.
All right, relax, all right?
He pushed me to the ground multiple times.
How much have you had to drink? 'Cause
Nothing.
You're reeking.
I've been somewhere for 3 years. Can I please leave? He threw me to the ground multiple times, and I just
we're not leaving yet, okay? You need to relax.
He threw me to the ground multiple times.
You already said that.
I know, but it hurts, and I just...
You want an ambulance?
I want to leave.
Okay. I mean, are you hurt? Do you want an ambulance?
I don't have insurance. I don't want an ambulance. I just want to leave. My dad is right there.
I know. I already spoke to him. I
just want to leave.
Okay, relax, okay? Calm down.
He wants to beat him up, too, because he's such a piece of shit.
Okay.
But he's not going to because he respects the law, and he beat me up, and I just want to go home.
Okay. Right.
Please.
Just hold on, okay?
I don't want to be here.
I know you don't want to be here. You're not going to be here for long. Just relax, okay? So just kind of take me through this. What happened today?
I left my phone and my keys to my apartment at his house last night when he got in a fight, and he called the cops on me.
Last night? What time was this?
Probably around like 9.
9, and what happened then?
I found on his phone.
Okay.
And ran out into the car.
Okay.
And asked him to drive.
The female suspect came up with one bizarre excuse after another to justify breaking into the residence.
Yeah.
So how did you get in?
Through the window, because I've been dating him for 3 years, and I know how to get into his house because his dad banned me from his house when I bent his Trump magazine.
Okay. All right. So you snuck in through the window, and then what happened?
And then he beat me up.
Okay.
I love him. He hurt me so bad. He's physically hurt me multiple times, and I never called the police because he's my boy.
Okay.
He watches shit, he's born addiction, and he laughs whenever I talk about how it's a problem to him.
Okay. All right.
His dad took him to a strip club. His dad took him to a strip club.
Okay.
While we were dating.
Okay. I got one other guy coming. Were you able to watch her? I just want to...
While the officer was speaking with the boyfriend, she suddenly tried to run toward him.
Don't go in there.
What did he just say?
Come on, over here.
Let me sit down!
As long as you sit there.
He beat me up in there!
Just what?
I deserve to sit down. Look at this bruise on my
She's
elbow.
gonna try to run on you.
This was him beating me to the ground.
Then why would you go in there?
Because I love him.
Well, how's that
But he
working out
hurts
for you? Well, when he said to stay right there, why would you run past him and then run over here?
What were you trying to do?
What was the plan?
He hurts me.
What were you trying to do when you went inside? What was the plan?
To tell his dad to
good.
off because he went to a strip club with his son.
Okay.
Officers kept talking with the boyfriend, but the woman wouldn't stop acting erratically.
Tell me afterwards. Tell me okay. Don't tell me a strip club is okay. It's not okay. You guys are.
You gotta go in cuffs.
Okay.
They're
Get her on the ground. Get her on the ground.
They told me strip clubs are okay and they're not okay.
Flip on your stomach.
They told me strip clubs are okay.
Get on your stomach.
And they're not okay.
Stomach. Get on your stomach.
Strip clubs are not okay.
Stop.
They said they both been to strip clubs.
Don't
I
fight.
don't trust either of them.
Let go. Let go. Okay. Let go.
Stop clawing me.
You guys are disgusting.
Yeah, tighten those up.
Yeah.
The fact that you think strip clubs are okay, you should not.
That's actually not what I said. You asked me if I had been to one. I
Yeah, you
thought
said you have. So you think you're okay? I have PTSD.
One more. 23.
Stop it!
Stop clawing me. You're gonna get another charge.
Can you guys please just loosen them a little bit? I've been handcuffed.
You know.
That no.
No. All right.
Go up. Go up.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? Stay right there. Can you keep her there?
Yeah.
Keep her.
With her behavior growing increasingly erratic, officers decided to place her under arrest immediately.
Have you been to a strip club?
No.
Good. Have you? You said you haven't. It's disgusting. Those girls don't want to see you. They just want your money, you idiot.
I'm well aware of that.
Yeah, and you're a idiot. His dad took him to a strip club. His dad's disgusting.
Is that what this is all about?
Basically, from what I've heard.
And then he
This doesn't
beat
give
me
you a
up.
right to treat us the way you just did.
He beat me up. And you guys didn't arrest him, you arrested me.
We're still investigating when
He
you start
beat
to
me
try
up.
to jump off.
He beat me up. And then you guys said you were both went to a strip club and it made me want to jump off.
Don't kick.
No.
Not kick. Don't kick the deputy. You're gonna get arrested.
I'm just trying to crisp dress applesauce.
All right, she ain't going anywhere now. All right.
Guys, good while I talk to the guy. Yeah.
Well, I thought we were before too. So.
Can you please loosen these just a little bit? I got handcuffs. And
They're nice and loose. They're
they're really not. I got scars from handcuffs,
Listen,
but I
I
got
can fit-
fake kidnapped.
Okay, just stop moving around. I can fit my entire finger in them.
I can't though. Can you please?
They're
too loose.
They're actually too
No,
loose.
they're hurting
We can
me.
fit a pinky in.
If I could fit my entire index finger in there.
They're really fucking hurting me.
I heard you.
They're not for comfort. They're not designed for comfort.
Yeah, and I got kidnapped in them.
Just sit still.
And when officers finally lay out what she's really facing, reality hits harder than anything else that night.
Stop moving around and they won't hurt you.
I cannot move though. I have ADHD. I cannot move.
No, you should have thought about that before you pulled all this shit.
You should have not beaten me up inside. You should have
I
just given
agree.
me my phone and the keys.
I agree. It doesn't give
And
you an
not
excuse to
beating
do
me
this
up.
stuff.
I bought him everything. He just used me for
We were trying,
stuff.
before she tried to jump off the railing, I was trying to tell that, because she lives in Colorado.
You see that?
I'm like,
I bought a plane ticket. You haven't even called the cops.
she came here to spend the weekend with them.
I bought him a
called her
concert
twice in 2
ticket.
days. I'm like, what are you doing?
So we
Find
were
somebody
here.
And
else
I
in
bought him a
Colorado.
concert ticket too.
Find somebody
It
else
was
in Colorado.
$150.
You live in Colorado. Yeah.
And I love him.
Somebody had
But
asked.
he hates
Her
me.
dad lives in Lake Zurich, so I'm assuming that's how
okay.
this is happening. But
Okay.
she said she lives in Colorado. I don't know.
I
if
just
she made
moved
that
there 2 months ago.
up. Oh,
Okay.
well, that would make more sense then.
You just stand up for me. All right.
You!
Watch the stairs.
No, I'm gonna go with my dad, but can you please?
No, you're under arrest.
No, you're under arrest, sir.
For what?
Well, home invasion for starters.
I don't know how it's home invasion if he has my phone. How is it home invasion if he has my phone and my keys? My dad brought me here to get my phone and my keys and didn't want to give them to me, so I had to go in the way I knew how to because we've been dating for 4 years. But did you guys hear that he stole my phone and keys? Can you take me to the hospital instead, please? I hurt my head. Yeah, please, can you take me to the hospital? My head hurts.
Why did you do that? That's on camera.
I know it's on camera. I can see the camera right there. My dash cam has 10,000 views, 10 million views. It's ruined my life. And if it's a way he taught me to get into his house, I don't think it's home invasion. He taught me how to get in there, so. If anyone should be going to jail, it's his dad. I knocked on his door multiple times. I rang his doorbell. He didn't answer it though. Why am I getting arrested for him beating me up?
There was no evidence that you got beat up.
Look at the video camera in his house.
You broke into his house.
She was charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer, domestic battery, criminal damage to property, and felony criminal trespass, and by the time the night was over, that emotional outburst likely cost her around $8,500 in bond, court fees, and legal expenses, proving that when you let chaos make your decisions, the consequences always make you pay. On December 27th, officers rushed to a tense domestic dispute where tempers flared, objects flew, and control was slipping fast. But that was only the beginning.
Police? All right, what's going on? Stop. All right. Now, what happened?
I don't want you to go.
Ma'am, where are you going?
I'm getting my stuff.
No, stop. Stop right now. Stand right here for right now until I got another officer. I don't care. I'm telling you right now what to do. You stand right here. Stand right here.
Tell him to get my stuff then.
Wait until I get another officer here, and then we'll figure all this shit out.
Okay. Does he look like he can hurt me? He's 6'1". I'm 105 pounds. He's gonna act like he can't protect himself? Do that. I have it recorded too.
Alright. Now, whose house is it? So, everything's in your name?
Yep. Minus 20 years still good?
Alright.
Yep. I pipe.
Yep.
Minus 20 years
All
still
you
good?
could do is call the police.
Ma'am,
What?
stay right here.
I'm sitting down.
Alright. I want to apologize for yelling at you earlier. It's just because of the fact I didn't want you walking away. It's only me here. So I wanted to make sure I could keep eyes on both of you guys. Okay? I understand that there's issues between the two of you, so what's going on today? I understand you explained it to them, but I haven't actually heard it from you. What happened today? That's why we're here.
I just told you.
Yeah. No, I understand that. But between you and him, did it ever get physical? Did you ever hit him?
Sure.
Did he ever hit you?
I'm sure I threw something at him. I walked over here. I kicked the dog bowl over.
There was much more to it because moments later, she openly admitted she had attacked her boyfriend. And that's when everything changed.
He can do whatever he wants to do. He can accuse me whatever he wants to accuse me. He could pull up his arm and say, I bit him.
Okay. Did he ever hit you or anything like that?
He tried.
When was that?
When he was trying to restrain me.
And how was he trying to hit you?
No, he was trying to push me away.
Oh, he was trying to push you? Okay. At any point, so it never hit you, never struck you, except for when he was... Everyone were good. Except for when he was restraining you and he was trying to remove you from the house? And that was the only time? Okay. Now, I know you kicked the dog bowl. Did you ever hit him anywhere below the belt, in the stomach?
I kicked him in the fucking balls.
You kicked him?
Yeah. When he wouldn't leave me alone, I kicked him in the balls. That's what women do. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, I understand. Where was that at in the house?
I don't remember. Over there.
Over there? You kicked him?
Yeah.
Did you punch him at all or anything like that?
I don't remember. I kicked him in the balls. But isn't that enough?
Oh, no, I just want to clarify what exactly happened.
I kicked him in the balls.
Okay. Let me see what they're talking about. And
Maybe if he needs to go to the police because his balls are broken.
okay. Give me a second.
Female officers here.
Okay.
Because I don't trust any of you guys to fucking stand up for a female.
I wouldn't trust anybody.
I don't trust any of you guys.
Okay.
All I have done is try to live, be a good daughter.
What's your last name?
Sieges.
Okay. How do you spell that?
Sieges. And I'm fucking dealing with this douchebag, listening to that fucker piece of shit.
I know, you're listening to him more than you're talking to me. What's your first name?
No, Hammer. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sure.
I know his name's Eric. I don't know your name. What's your first name?
Alice.
A-L-I-A-S?
C.
A-L-I-C-E?
Alice, yeah. This is our first time here. It's my first time meeting you.
It's not your first time.
This is, personally, this is our shift's first time here.
Alice, what's a good phone number for you? We'll talk with you. I'll back out. You don't want all these men here. And we'll figure it out.
And just when she believes she's still in control, the cuffs come out.
Tribe accurate is what you told him?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. For his
Are
sister?
you fucking joking? You guys are laughing? You fucking piece of shit.
We'll just go ahead and take a seat and we'll figure Alice, if you don't mind just taking a seat for us.
No, I do mind.
We'll figure this out, so.
Tell him to come sit over here instead of fucking giggling over there with fucking mustache. I don't believe in that.
We like to keep everybody separate for this exact reason. Yeah.
Oh, I'm not giggling with you.
Yeah, we're not laughing.
We're not laughing.
All right. We're trying to get to the bottom of it. That's
Yeah, bring your kids over here.
all right, Alice. So, based on the video, what he's saying, our recorded dispatch line, you are going to be under arrest for domestic battery.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So if you can stand up, put your hands behind your back. We got to place you in handcuffs. We're going to take you back to the station. Issue you a complaint for domestic battery. Whether or not he decides to show up in court, he was very adamant that he did not want you arrested. Unfortunately, based on our current status.
I have my videotape.
Of what?
The whole incident.
Yeah, he was showing me video of the incident in the kitchen. But if you have other video to...
Yeah, let's hear it.
But even in handcuffs, she's not done fighting.
Is this your phone with the green case?
Yeah. Okay. I want to see the video too. Bring it.
It's all discovery. You could get that in court.
No, I want to see it.
No. We're not.
I don't appreciate.
Alice, stop.
Stop. I'm going to record
Yeah,
five men here.
Alice, I'm doing you a courtesy.
Me.
I'm doing you a courtesy by allowing you to show us what you got here.
No.
Okay.
5 men, including.
All right, under arrest.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Stand up.
Resist. Just come stand up.
Put the phone
touch
down.
me.
Stand up.
Come on. You stop. This is ridiculous.
He's willing to hold your dog here, or if you want to get your dog out of
No,
here.
I want my phone.
We'll get your phone.
Make sure those are.
It's a little tight, buddies.
You got small wrists. They have to be small.
Yeah, no, it's a little tight. 5 men.
They're not built for comfort.
You're
all right?
going to hear the end of it.
Where are you going?
Give me my phone.
You're not
We'll get
getting
it for
it.
you.
Stop it.
Grab that phone.
Grab my
I'm
phone.
gonna get it for you. Stop.
No, 5 men.
5
6
men. Oh my God, 5 men.
4.
It's
One ignorant woman.
there's another one.
4.
There's another one outside.
There's not another one outside.
All
I've not
right.
lied to you since I've been here.
There's another man outside.
There's no more men. I mean, unless it's
No, there's a man.
We got one female in custody. For domestic battery.
All right, swap.
Alright, 10-4, 1 female in custody, 2015.
Yeah, we'll grab it. Just walk out.
Good job, Tiger. Bring my dog to my
It's
dad.
not his choice. It's not his choice at this
Oh,
point.
it's
Walk.
worth
Come on,
his
Alice,
choice.
walk.
His choice to call, but not his choice right now.
No, it is. Hey! Domestic abuse! Gonna shut my mouth?
Nope. I don't care. Yeah.
Well then,
Walk.
no, I'm not walking.
Alice Sieges was charged with domestic battery and resisting a peace officer, and by the time the fines, court costs, and mandatory fees were added up, the night cost her roughly $1,350. What started as a heated argument turned into criminal charges because ego overruled self-control. Once you cross the line into violence, the law doesn't argue back, it acts. On May 30, 2025, A car clipped a stop sign, fled, and turned a quiet neighborhood into flashing chaos. An officer followed footprints to a stranger's house suddenly, then silence.
I let her up, she just running into a house. What are you doing? Come here! Come here! Get over here!
I'm so sorry.
Come over here! Come here, let's go! Walk!
No, I need...
By the railroad tracks on Jackson.
House.
I don't care, come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Walk outside! Walk outside! Walk outside!
Please, can you just not hold me like
Come here!
that? Please, I'll stop!
Put your hands behind your back!
No, please,
Put your hands behind your back!
Can I go in first?
Put your hands behind the back!
Let me go in there!
Put your hands behind the back!
Okay, you gotta go. No, you gotta go.
Get up, get up!
Please stop! Please stop!
Put your hands behind your back! Railroad tracks on Jackson!
Hey, excuse me.
Put your hands behind your
I
back!
will stop resisting if you get off of me, please. Please,
You're gonna get hurt!
I'm gonna have a panic attack.
Put your hands behind your back!
Please, I want
Put your hands behind your back!
I want an ambulance.
Put your hands behind your back! You're under arrest, put your hands behind your back!
I will stop.
Put your hands
resisting
behind
if
your
you
back!
Please let go of
You're
me.
going in handcuffs!
Can I
Put your
get a
hands
hold
behind
of
your back!
insurance, please?
Put your hands behind your f***ing back or I'm gonna hurt you! You're gonna get hurt!
I got my mom.
Put your hands behind your back!
I'm gonna...
It's that easy.
Oh, please. I need it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Can you please stop? I don't want to go to this. God, please, I want another officer. I want another officer. Please stop.
Put your hands behind your back!
Please stop. Please stop. I'm gonna throw the up. Please, I want another officer.
Put your hands behind your back! Stop it! Stop! Just stop!
You're hurting me, please.
Okay, put your hand behind your back.
Please stop. You're hurting me. I want another
hand behind your
officer. I can't breathe.
She says she doesn't know why she's there, but someone else does.
Calm down.
I want another officer, please. Please.
Let's go.
Please.
Come on.
Please stop. Please stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Stop it.
Stop. Spencer. Hey, please.
Hey, back up. Back up.
No, he's hurting me.
You started it. I told you.
I'm sorry, Spencer. I want another car. Please let go of me. I will get in the car.
Stop. Stop.
Spencer.
Get in the car.
I can't breathe.
Okay.
Please let me breathe.
Get in the car.
Do anything. Please, help.
Get in the car.
Please.
Just get in the car.
Please. I'm asking for another cop.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Please.
Get in the car.
Can I just talk to him?
Get in the car. I'll let you talk to him if you get in the car.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I will.
Can you?
Promise.
This is really hurting me, please.
Okay. Get sitting down in the car.
You won't let me talk to him, will you?
I will. Sit in the car.
Can you give me
Sit in the car.
Can I sit like with the door? I won't roll it.
Yes, I'll leave the door open.
I get too short.
Pick your feet in.
I won't go anywhere.
Put your feet in.
I promise you.
Put your feet in.
I pinky promise, please.
Put your feet in the car. In. Twist.
Please, no, you're not gonna let me
Twist.
talk to him.
Twist. Lady.
Please, I'm sorry. He just broke down and he has
Stop! I don't care. Put the feet in the car.
I want another officer.
Well, they're coming, and you're not gonna like what's gonna happen.
Please,
Get in the car.
Please, I'm just telling you, I'm really happy to be here.
Okay, then get in the car. Get in the car. Oh yeah, get in the car.
Please, oh my God. You're cutting my circulation
Then
off.
go in the car.
I don't want this.
I don't care. You're under arrest.
Can I
Go in the
get
car.
my water, please?
I'll get it. Just get in the car. Get in the car. I can't help you until you get in the car.
I'm scared.
Get in the car.
Can I get my phone so I can call my mom?
No. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Please stop screaming at me.
Then put your foot in the car.
You're gonna shut the door.
Yes, I am going to shut the door. Do you want to talk to him? Then get in the car.
Please don't shut the door.
I have stuff to do first, and then you can talk to him.
Please, can he come over here?
Shut up and get in the fucking car.
Please.
No.
I'm sorry.
No. Get in the car. Get in the car. Stay.
Please don't shut the door.
Just
I won't
stay.
go anywhere. I won't.
What started as a breakup is starting to look a lot worse.
She's psycho.
Who is it?
This is his ex-girlfriend. Now, see, his problem was they got talking again, and she's very possessive, very controlling. She's a sucker.
Is this your house?
This is my house. I rent this house. We left. She left, and she went to the stop sign. I didn't even realize she came. How did you get the call?
She hit a stop sign on Braceville and Gorman.
Okay, so because she flew back here. My girlfriend is in the house.
Yeah, I went to your house.
She's like, oh my God, and then she called me, got a situation. I'm like, what the hell? I was having a discussion with my son about her, that she's trouble. I've seen women like this before. He was on the phone with her mom, telling her, and that she's fighting with you and whatnot. And I wanted to help, but at the same time, I don't want to be in between all that shit, because I hear you're struggling with her ass, and it's like, but it's...
Oh, I'm trying not to hurt her.
I know.
Is the problem.
And I'm sitting here like, I want to help, but if I do, then I can get it put on me too. So I was like, what do I do? Because I'm sitting here like, all this is showing him who she really is. Makes him understand. That's why he stayed in. He didn't want to... So... I'm sorry for all this.
Who's that plate come back to?
So, oh my God. This poor kid. He's 19 years old.
How old is she? What's that girl's name?
Emily. You want to talk to my son?
That ain't her.
Her mom's, they're both, they're correctional officers.
That was a good fight.
Yeah?
She's a good girl. She's a good fight.
I wanted to help her.
I chased her into the house and drug her out and rolled around with her in the yard, dude. What?
I really want my water.
What county is it out of?
Now the cameras start telling a different story.
Her boyfriend blocked her. She got really upset. She took that turn. He took out a stop sign. I don't know if you're aware of that. And then she came down here, flying, slowed down, took off in the house. She said she didn't hear you or see the lights or none of that stuff.
It's weird. I have a little bit different recollection of it.
And I didn't realize until after. Like, I just open the door and then realized that you were behind me. Everything happened so fast.
Hey. You're lying, and I don't appreciate liars. No, stop it. You want to know what happened? I'll tell you exactly what happened. You want to know the fun fact? There's 4 cameras on you. So in 4K, you got caught 4 times on 4 different camera angles. Right? So I'm behind you after you're going 70, 75 miles an hour down Gardner Road, through town, blew the 4-way, because I was at Casey's, and I watched you do this whole thing. After I already got a call on you about hitting that stop sign, right? You didn't use your turn signal coming on here. These railroad tracks are down, and I light you up, and you make your little U-turn right here. You stop in the driver's seat, you sit there, and you turn and you look right at me, and then you get out of the car, and then you stop and you turn and you look at me again, directly at the red and blue flashing lights, and then you took off running. And I didn't run after you at first. I said, stop. Hey, what are you doing? Stop. And then you start beating on these poor people's doors of a house that you don't even live at. And then I start running after you. I get closer to you, and then now you force entry into the home. And then you take off running into these poor people's houses. You scared the out of the homeowner. No, stop it. I'm not done talking. This is a conversation. You don't interrupt me. You scared the out of some poor fucking lady that's sitting inside that house. She had no idea what's going on, and I tried my hardest to be polite and nice with you and not hurt you. And I don't know how many times I told you that I was going to hurt you if you did not start complying.
And this is where reality finally hits.
Give you a ticket. I have bad days. I fight with my missus, and now you're under arrest, and you're going to jail, and I'm towing your car.
Can we call my parents?
You can call them at the jail to come pick you up from the jail.
Oh my God,
you're not going to call them right now.
Oh my God. I really resisted because I was scared. I was having a panic attack. I genuinely couldn't breathe. I was like...
You breathed just fine. Because that scuffle went on for a couple of minutes and you're breathing just fine. And hence why you're just breathing fine right now. There's nothing restricting your airflow. That was just a thought that you had, so...
That's what a panic attack is.
You could breathe just fine.
You know, can I talk to him?
No. Because he blocked you for a reason. He doesn't want to talk to you. He doesn't want to talk to you. He does not want to talk to you.
Yes, he does. He has his stuff in my car. Please, can I...
What stuff does he have?
Can I have 3 minutes?
What stuff does he have?
Can I have 2
I will go ask him, and if he says no, you have to suck it up like an adult. You can't just always get what you want. This isn't your world, and we're not living in your world. Okay, I'll ask him if he wants to talk to you. I will let him to. What stuff does he have in the car?
I can't even think straight right now.
Okay, well, you try to think. Stop it.
Please.
He doesn't want to talk to you.
No, please, I want my... Please, no.
He doesn't want to talk to you.
I don't want to, please.
And you're given officially a trespass warning from this property. If you come back to this property, you will be arrested.
I want to apologize, please.
No. I am so sorry.
You can come on in.
I truly do apologize.
It's okay.
I know I scared the ever-living crap out of you, right? And you had no idea.
At first I thought it was domestic.
I'm so sorry.
Until I saw your uniform, because I'm actually a widow of a correctional officer.
That's what he was saying.
So yeah, and then I saw your uniform, I'm like, okay, this is what's going on.
I apologize. And I will let you know, that scared the ever-living out of me. I'm not joking. I walked into that thing, and I was like, ah! You know, I was like, oh, dear Lord.
I'm sorry. I was like, as soon as I walked in here to say hey, and I'm like, oh my God, I bet you that freaked him out even more.
Because I'm looking at her, and I'm going to run after her, and I see that thing, and I'm like, ah! You know? No, I'm gonna charge her with just the misdemeanor and be done with it. Because if she does have anger issues and and like, I'm not gonna screw her life over at 20 years old, right?
Right.
She's got consequences, right? There's consequences for your action, but I'm not. I'm not.
I just hope the system works.
I'm not gonna be rude with this.
Emily was charged with resisting arrest, and by the time court fees, fines, and towing costs were added up, she was looking at roughly $1,850 out of pocket. What started as a breakup and a damaged stop sign turned into flashing lights, handcuffs, and a jail trip, all because she refused to stop and listen. One emotional decision can cost you your freedom, your money, and your reputation faster than you think.
On July 14th, 2023, officers pulled over a white Nissan at a stop sign and met the driver, later dubbed Miss Defiant Denise, during the tense traffic stop.
Sir, how are you?
Why are you following me like that?
Because we're trying to stop you, and you are not letting us stop you.
No, that's not true. I seen you behind me.
Good.
Can you get that light on my face?
It's not in your face, it's at your steering wheel.
You had it in my face.
No, I did not.
Why are y'all following me?
Do you have your license registration? Ma'am, can you get your license registration? Failure to do so will result in a resisting arrest. Can you please get your license registration?
Why do y'all have all these cops here?
Can you get your license and registration, or you will go to jail for resisting. Get your license.
I'm not resisting.
You are. I'm telling you.
I'm not.
Get me your license and registration.
So you pulling me over for stopping at a crosswalk, you said?
On a crosswalk, yes. Do you have your license and registration?
That is crazy.
It is not crazy. It is against the law.
Like for no reason. Y'all petty. Y'all need to go find something to do. Don't open my door.
Don't close the window.
I'm closing it halfway. I can do what I want to. Close my door.
I had to get my flashlight.
You got your flashlight. Now close my door.
I think I don't know if it's closing.
Really? You being childish?
Now she demands a supervisor but refuses to step out to actually speak with him. Apparently her car is the new office meeting room.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Can you just step out while we verify your information?
I do not feel safe. All y'all cops, I do not want to step out. I'm fine right here. I got the light on. I'm recording. I do not want to step out. No, sir. Just give me my ticket so I can go. I do not feel comfortable getting out. Where's your supervisor? Why do you have your hand on my door?
You want to talk to our supervisor?
Yes.
Okay, then step out of the car.
No, I do not want to step out the car. I don't have to step out just to talk to the supervisor.
I'm right here.
Who? You're the supervisor? You say you're the supervisor. Sergeant, you're the supervisor, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Why is it so many cops just for this traffic stop?
That's what we do.
What are you doing?
Lighting up the interior because you rolled up your windows. It's very dark inside.
No, it's not.
I don't want any weapons to be pointed at me.
Wow. Go ahead, give me my ticket so I can go.
Are we sweeping or what? Yeah? With her in it or out? They're out? We asked her to come out. Alright, ma'am. We're going to have you just step out of the vehicle, okay?
I'm not getting out. I don't feel safe. I do not have to get out of the vehicle. I have done nothing wrong. You said you stopped me for a traffic stop.
That's correct.
But stop it at a crosswalk.
So the Supreme Court disagrees with you.
You can write me my ticket and I can go.
We will oblige you with that
I do not want to
request.
get out of my car for my safety. Y'all have way too many cops just for this one traffic stop for no reason.
The dog sweep announcement sends her spiraling. Suddenly, she's a constitutional scholar with Google-level legal advice on what cops can't do.
With you escalating the situation,
How am I escalating it?
is it pointed at me? I can't see.
How is this escalating?
Make sure you're pointing the camera at me.
How is it escalating?
You're escalating the situation.
How?
Okay? Because you're getting all worked up. You're
I'm
rolling
not
up
getting
the
worked
window.
up. I'm talking so you can hear me. I'm not rowdy. I'm not banging or nothing.
pretty
I'm
rowdy.
not doing nothing that I'm not supposed
Here's
to
the deal.
do. And I'm talking to you.
Here's the deal. Okay?
I don't want to get out. Just get my ticket. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ma'am.
And probably some more back there.
Ma'am,
that
listen
you
to
can't
me.
see. I don't want to
Listen
get out
to
of
me.
the car. I don't feel safe.
We're going to have a dog sweep your car.
Go ahead. Sweep
Okay.
around the car, but you can't get in my
In
car.
order to do that, we're not getting in your car until the dog indicates.
Crazy. I can't believe
But you
this
need
is
to
happening.
step out of the
Okay.
vehicle. If you don't do so,
I'm not.
we will probably have to
I'm
remove you
not.
from it.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Which means,
For my safety.
is this your car?
Yes, he got my license. He
So
go
this is your car.
Go ahead and do what you got to do.
Do you work for a living?
Why you want to know all of that?
Because here's the problem. You have to think about cause and effect.
So you need to think about cause and effect.
I
Because I,
do
can
this-
do a lawsuit on you. You try to pull me out
Ma'am.
against my will and
Ma'am,
everything like that.
do I look
have
afraid of a
nothing-
lawsuit?
I did nothing
Do
wrong.
you think I would risk my career?
Sir, just get your supervisor.
I'm
You said
here.
your supervisor, you're a sergeant.
I'm here.
You're not the
Listen to me.
supervisor.
Here's what I'm trying to explain to you. I do not want to break a window.
Run the door
I
around.
do not want to break a window. But if you
I'm
make
not getting
me,
out. I'm not getting out.
I will break the window and I will remove you from the vehicle and you'll be arrested for resisting. You understand that?
I'm not getting out.
Okay. You've made this decision. I want you to know that you will pay the consequences for this decision. You understand that?
You are doing
What
this,
happened?
but
Listen.
Why are you bringing a dog
Listen.
around my car?
Because that's our job.
To do what? Like
That's our
why?
job.
You have to have a reason
That is
why
precisely.
you're bringing a dog around a car.
Yes.
Do you smell drugs on me?
That's what the dog does.
But you
That's
just
what the
pulled
dog
me
does.
over for stopping at a crosswalk.
Correct.
And all of this,
Correct.
you're escalating
Ma'am,
this by
listen.
getting a dog, talking about breaking my
this is
window,
our job.
and all of that.
What happens next
No, I'm not doing
is a direct result of your decisions.
I don't
okay?
feel safe.
What happens
all
next?
Y'all cops, I roll my window up
Okay.
just to crack, and then I turn my lights on in
All
the
right.
car so you can see me.
She rants about cause and effect while ignoring the biggest cause, her refusal, and the clearest effect, a broken car window incoming.
All of these cops, for what reason? What reason do y'all have all these cops?
All right, ma'am. Can you unlock your vehicle,
No,
please?
I'm not
You need to step out. We have probable cause to search your vehicle. Okay, if you
Probable
don't,
cause for what?
that's correct. The dog alerted on your vehicle.
For what? What's in here? Nothing. I
I
don't have
don't know.
nothing in here.
If you don't open, listen to me. If you don't open the door, you are subject. We are going to break your window.
You took the dog and you just let it jumped up on my car, but I don't have no drugs.
We are
in
going to
here.
break your windows. Do you understand that?
I'm not getting out.
We are going to break your windows.
I'm not getting out.
Okay, we're going to start with the passenger side.
Is the door open? I know she locked it.
No.
There you go. Got it.
You guys are in the front door traction.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Don't pull away from me.
This is wow. This is hilarious, man. You happy about your job? Sorry. What's your badge number?
35193. What's yours?
Really?
We're asking questions, right? Why'd you have to give us a
What kind of badge number am I supposed to have?
I don't know.
Bro, get on my face.
Do you understand your place in arrest at this point?
Me and Johnson started.
Please.
Yeah. We'll move her out of the way so we can do a search of the car.
And do not break my phone. My
This
phone
way.
was not broken.
Can you stop turning, please?
I want to see what they do in my car.
Well, you have to stop turning.
You don't need me to turn all the way around for
Stop
that. Try to
turning
act like
away.
you bad.
Okay. Now we're just hanging out here on the ground. Trying to search your pockets and you're pulling away and
You've
turning
been
away.
searching. You got my wallet out and you been feeling nothing else.
On the ground, she squirms and denies resisting, proving once again that twisting and turning while cuffed is resistance by Olympic standards.
Just spit on my partner?
If you spit on me,
It's any spit on you. It's any spit on you. It barely anything came out.
Immediately in his direction.
Did it go on him?
Yes.
I can spit your way. It won't go on you, will it?
Yes.
Unless I spit on you on purpose.
That's why there's spit on his pants. That's
Where?
battery.
Where?
the
Exactly.
white?
Get your camera close.
Look at the white on his
Get
pants.
your camera close.
Look at the white
That
on his
is not
pants.
spit. That's lit.
No.
Are you kidding me?
It's okay. It's just another charge.
Whatever.
It's just
Yeah,
a
get
felony.
that camera close on his pants. Get it real close.
It's okay.
Talking about some spit on you. Yeah, get it real close. Touch it. Yeah, you see that lit?
Saliva.
Yeah, white. You crazy, man.
Spit on my feet, yeah. It's okay.
Spit on you. Real funny.
Man, you gotta understand that.
Man, take me downtown so I can stop talking to y'all. I'm done with y'all.
You're not talking, I'm talking.
Well, I don't want to listen.
I don't care.
Well,
You dictate
talk to
how you're
yourself.
treated.
I don't want to hear that.
You dictate.
Yeah,
that.
whatever.
But this is how you're treated.
Anyways,
Cause and effect.
y'all just got a problem with black people anyway. Y'all want to stop anybody that's y'all ain't about bored. Just stop anybody just to fool with them.
We didn't spit on you.
I ain't spit on you.
You ready to go?
Yes, ready. Been ready.
On the count of three, you're gonna stand up. 1, 2, 3. Walk over to my vehicle.
She was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer without violence. One meltdown ends and another begins, this time with Pamela, whose roadblock quickly turns into a soap opera featuring insults, protests, and handcuffs. On September 14th, 2025, officers encountered Pamela after multiple calls reported her blocking traffic in a neighborhood and becoming irate, refusing cooperation when they approached.
Hi, how are you? 7 Bravo 64, take a 28. Be careful. Quebec Echo, Juliet.
Can you lower your window for me, please?
Should come back
What's going on?
to extend. Okay. I'm not doing that with you. Do you have your driver's license?
Let me tell you something.
Insurance?
I am pregnant.
Okay.
Get out of my face.
Don't tell me what to do. You're blocking
Get
the roadway.
out of my face.
You're blocking the roadway. So I just wanted to talk to you. You just flicked me the bird. So I'm going to ask you for your driver's license, registration, and insurance. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and insurance?
No.
You don't?
No.
So you're operating a vehicle with no license, registration, or
No,
insurance?
I want this to stop.
What would you like to stop? I'm trying to talk to you. Do you have your driver's license?
I am not talking to you or anyone else.
Okay. Do you have any medical conditions that I need to be aware of? Ma'am, do you have any medical conditions that I need to be aware of?
I just told you.
Okay, what is that? What is that? Can you tell me what medical conditions you have? Do you not understand my questions? Do you have a driver's
Do you
license?
not understand what I responded?
No, ma'am, that is not a medical condition. Congratulations on being pregnant, but that's not a medical condition that would affect your ability to understand my question.
Officers warn her she'll be pulled out if she doesn't step out willingly. Spoiler alert, stubbornness isn't exactly a winning strategy against handcuffs.
Okay, so what's going on in Meadow Lakes that we need to be aware of?
They know.
Okay, but I don't
The
know.
board knows.
Your HOA board knows? Do you live here? I'm asking you a question. Do you live here? Do you know where you're at? Okay, I'm not going to play this game with you. So if you don't have a valid ID and you're operating a motor vehicle and you're obviously blocking the roadway, I'm going to have to take you out of the vehicle because you cannot be operating a motor vehicle. You understand that, right? So I'm going to give you one more opportunity to comply with me, and then I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle. You understand that, right? So I'm giving you an opportunity to either comply and answer my questions, or I'm going to have to physically remove you from the vehicle. You understand that? Do I need to call EMS? Are you having a medical episode right now? Okay. Alright.
Alright.
Don't touch
Let's go.
me. Don't touch me.
No.
Do not touch me. Hey!
Stop! Stop!
Sam! Why are they doing this?
Stop!
Sam! I can't believe you!
Relax.
I
Relax.
You don't take my phone.
Relax.
I'm not trying to
Relax.
take
Ma'am.
Leave me alone. I'm pregnant.
Relax. She's seatbelted.
I know that's what I'm trying to get. Not to go out.
Demands her purse like it's a hostage negotiation. Ma'am, you're not striking a handbag deal. You're being loaded into the back of a squad car.
Oh! Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting.
Why are you hurting?
Ma'am, stop resisting.
Because you're resisting.
You're a man and you're
Ma'am,
doing this?
we're not hurting you.
He is hurting me.
Okay.
Well, if you stop resisting, it will make it a lot easier for me to do what I need to do.
I'm gonna have you
What is
sit.
your name? You haven't even.
Come on.
You haven't even read me my rights.
Come on.
I want my purse.
I'll get your purse. I need you to sit down in the back of the vehicle and just take a breath, okay? Go ahead. Just sit in the vehicle.
I want my purse.
Okay. I'm gonna.
I will when I get my purse.
Okay. I'll grab your purse.
All right, let's go to the other side.
No. Why are you ouch!
Come on.
Ow!
Don't kick me.
I'm not playing this game with you.
I'm not playing any games with you, bastard.
Hey.
Ouch! You're hurting me!
What?
You're hurting me!
Ma'am.
What is that? Ow!
Other way. Other way.
Ow!
Ma'am.
Ow!
We're not doing anything.
Ow!
We're not.
You're hurting me!
We're not doing anything.
You're hurting me!
She slipped out.
Sit down.
Take a seat.
I need my shoe.
I'm gonna get your shoe and I'm gonna get your purse. Just sit right there for me. Okay? No, put your feet inside for me. Ma'am, put your feet inside
I'm
for
waiting.
me.
Still stuck on her purse, her shoe, and the temperature. Priorities clearly shift when your legal problems outweigh your fashion accessories.
It's fucking hot in here. It's hot! It's hot in here.
Okay, I'll put the AC on.
You know, it's like 95 degrees outside or 3. I need my purse and my phone and my shoe.
Yeah, everything's 10-4.
And I do need EMS because I'm pregnant and I have a knot in my stomach.
She just refused to move, refused to identify herself. She was just talking gibberish that we're the hired guns and we need to talk to Chong to fix this neighborhood because they're after her. Oh. So when she refused, we tried to take her out the car. She fought us.
I need medical attention because they pushed me into my car with my belly into the car.
Hi, man, can you please step out the car so you can sit over here and fire?
I cannot do that unless you uncuff me.
Well, we are once you get off the car.
I cannot. I have an injured ankle, and I just cannot be thrown around like that.
Okay.
Like you've been throwing me around.
Okay. We're gonna help you out. We're gonna help you out of the car slowly. And I can't take the hang.
Pamela was charged with 2 felonies, battery on an officer and resisting with violence. On April 1st, 2025, officers in Oregon met Regina Freedom to Carry Dawson during a traffic stop for expired tags, and things escalated the moment she reached for her gun.
Hi there. Yep. Hey, I'm Officer Kennedy. Remember quickly said earlier in our conversation being recorded, okay?
Yes, it is.
The reason for the stop today is to unearth your tags are expired. Do you have your license on now? Is that a firearm under your jacket? Don't reach for it. Just answer it. I don't know. I'm asking if it's a firearm. So if you reach for it, we have issues.
It is.
Okay. Don't ever reach for it. Okay. Okay. Will you do me a favor? I'd like to remove that from you.
I would rather remove it myself.
Okay.
than
You're not
place
going to
it
do
on
that. You're not going to put a firearm in your hands. Okay. So just hear me out. Stop talking. Just let me explain. Okay. It's for my safety. I don't mean any harm to you.
Excuse me, but it's about my safety.
Okay, I'm not going to hurt you, nor am I putting off an intimidating
Well, I'm not
just
going to
listen.
hurt you.
This is what I would like to do, okay? All I would like you to do is cross your fingers like this, put your hand on your head, and I'd like to just grab and take it out. I'm not going to seize it or anything.
No, I do not want my weapon outside of my vehicle.
Where's your ID?
I do not want my weapon outside of the vehicle.
Where is your
I
ID?
am willing to put my weapon on the dash so that you can clearly
Do not
see it.
touch that gun.
Fine.
Okay.
Then it'll
I'll
see
tell you
where
what.
it's at.
Put the paperwork on the dash for me. Put the paperwork on the dash.
Why?
Because I'm telling you to, and it's a lawful order. Put the paperwork on the dash now, and put your hands on the steering wheel and don't move them. Okay? You're being confrontational. You have a firearm. We're not going to play that game. I'm going to get your name, date of birth, and I'm going to continue my traffic stop. Do you understand that?
I think I'll just plead the fifth.
That's fine. I recommend that. Well, if you're not going to plead the fifth, you're going to need to present me with an ID. Can you point to where your ID is?
No, sir. You told me to put my hands on the steering wheel.
But you told me you were going to plead the fifth, which means you're not going to talk anymore. Okay, if you're not going to talk, you can't tell me your name and your date of birth.
Holding the steering wheel with both hands is apparently uncomfortable. Ma'am, driving might not be your calling.
So will you tell me your name and date of birth?
Not until I present this paperwork.
Okay. 3216. Can I get another unit? I'm going to get my chief down here for you.
Okay.
Keep your hands right where they're at.
I will keep them there as long as I can.
Okay. Perfect. They need to remain there and your hand needs to stay away from them.
And I already told you, I will keep them there as long as I can. This is not exactly a comfortable position.
The female's verbally uncooperative.
I am not uncooperative. I am simply answering you without lying.
Not at this time.
See, you guys always do that. You guys always make something up that isn't there.
What did I make up today, ma'am?
You're saying I'm being confrontational. I'm not being confrontational.
Okay, maybe let me use a different word. Argumentative.
Well, maybe argumentative, but I'd say so are you, because you're not getting everything you want exactly.
Officer calls for backup, and Regina goes full philosopher, dropping trust issues like she's on a therapy podcast.
Yeah, because I gotta survive every contact, and
I
I'm gonna get what I want when there's a firearm involved.
You know what?
It's gonna happen.
I'm sorry, but it's the police that have proved themselves to be unreliable.
Oh yeah? Have you ever met me before?
Yes, I have.
You've met me. Where did you meet me?
Matter of fact, really doesn't matter.
Okay, so you haven't met me, so therefore you have no idea whether I'm reliable or not.
All I know is you're wearing a monkey suit.
A monkey suit? I believe it's a police uniform and a badge. But that's fine. I get what you're trying to do. You're mad at the badge, not at me. I'm just trying to go home every day. Okay, you don't have to trust me, but not that I don't trust you, I can't trust you because I don't know you. Okay, I stop hundreds possibly thousands of people every year, and I have to survive each of those contacts for a duration of 25 years. Okay?
I understand that.
I know how to do that, and I know how I want people to react if they do have a firearm, and so that's what I go off of, okay?
And I was willing to compromise with you, but you're not willing to compromise. You want it your way.
What is the compromise?
I am willing to put it on the dash, or even to allow you to put it on the dash. I would
like to do that.
Willing to allow you to remove it from my vehicle.
Okay. I can work with you on that a little bit. If I'm going to put it on your dash, I'm going to unload it first.
That's fine.
Okay. Will you put your hands on your head with your fingers crossed so I can remove it from you? Thank you. I appreciate that. Any other firearms with you?
No. Can I put my hands down now?
Yes, ma'am. If you could keep them at least visible, that would be wonderful.
Now, can I begin going over this paperwork with me that you're going to thoroughly disagree with me on anyway?
I'm not saying I'm going to disagree with you. It may be legitimate, okay?
It is legitimate.
She complains about how the bullets are removed, because of course the method of disarmament is the real injustice here.
It would have been a lot easier to put push the wheel.
You don't get to decide how things go. Okay. I'm all about respecting you and trying to work with you.
I was trying to be helpful.
You were not. I was asking you to do something, and you were refusing to.
I was talking about with getting the bullets out of the gun. I was just trying. It would have been easier and faster to get the bullets out if you'd have pushed the release.
Okay.
That's all.
I was giving you a lawful order, and you were refusing to obey that. For personal feelings, I understand that. You did not prefer it that way. But there's times during a traffic stop or an interaction with police, you have to set your personal opinion or feelings aside to obey a lawful order.
You put my weapon on my dash.
Afterwards.
No.
Correct.
You
After I told you
to put my weapon.
Okay, we're gonna stop this. I'm gonna wait for the chief. Will you roll that window down?
I have to turn.
Just turn it to the on. Yeah, accelerator on. That's fine.
No hood, jagged metal everywhere, and somehow she's worried about the legalities. That truck needs last rights, not registration.
Actually, I'm gonna hold it here until the chief's here. Okay, where's your identification at?
I will just wait for your chief.
Fine with me. Ma'am, is there a reason that you're being difficult? I'm trying to give you every opportunity to...
Quite honestly, I don't feel like repeating myself. And if I go through all this with you, then I have to go over it yet again with the chief.
Okay.
I don't feel like repeating myself.
Okay.
So, I am not refusing to identify. I am simply requesting that you take into account that there's more to it than maybe even what you know. I know, you're an officer and you think you know all the laws. Sorry, but nobody knows all the laws.
I've never claimed to.
I would certainly hope not, because I feel bad for anybody that has to.
Chief, will you roll that window down for the chief so we can hear everything that's being said? So I have the firearm now. It's clear from her. So essentially, approached. I know she had the firearm on her hip. Not a big deal. I asked her if it was a firearm that she'd point at it or tell me instead of reaching it. She reached for it. Anyway, I asked her to put her hands on her head so I could remove it from her and take it back to my vehicle to secure it during the rest of the stop because she's mildly argumentative. She refused to do that. We ended up coming to a compromise. She let me take it off her and unload it. So it's been a bit of a confrontation. I've asked her for a license multiple times. She said she wouldn't give it until you got here, so that's where we're at. So can I have your license?
I don't want to repeat myself.
Okay, can I have your license, please?
Just real quick, man, just so you know, my name's Chief Bruce. I got my camera going too, so it's recording.
Okay. I've got my camera recording as well.
Okay.
Now, as I told you before I relinquish my information, I am going to go over this paperwork.
Okay, that's fine.
She reads outdated court quotes like they're scripture, but the chief's not buying her right to travel TED Talk.
As you're asking me for my driver's license, I do want you to know that the right of the citizen to travel upon the public highways and to transport his property thereon by horse-drawn carriage, wagon, or automobile is not a mere privilege which may be permitted or prohibited at will, but a common right which he has under his right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Under this constitutional guarantee, one may, therefore, under normal conditions, travel at his inclination along the public highways or in public places, and while conducting himself in an orderly and decent manner, neither interfering with nor disturbing another's rights. He will be protected, not only in his person, but in his safe conduct. And I can give you where to find that if you would like.
And we don't need to. The U.S. Supreme Court has already squashed that, so...
No, the U.S. Supreme Court has not.
Yes, they have. And you do have a right to travel. You have a right to travel by your feet or your horse, but you have to have a driver's license. You can argue this later, so you need to provide the officer with your driver's license, or you will be arrested for failure to carry and present.
For what crime?
Failure to carry and present a driver's license. It's a Class C misdemeanor in the state of Oregon.
Without a crime, it is not a failure.
But you have to let go of it. You have to present
Why
it to him.
Why do I have to let go of it?
An even better question to ask is, why do you have to be so insufferable? Just hand over your license.
I prevented it. You can see it.
Do you have a concealed handgun license with you?
No,
Okay. Do you have insurance for the vehicle?
not required.
Okay. Good. Whether you feel it's required or not, do you have insurance information? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Do you have registration information? Whether it's required in your opinion or not, do you have...
I don't know if it's here in the car or not.
Okay, so you just don't know. Okay, that's fine.
Regina's sweatshirt was covering the firearm, aka textbook concealment, but sure, let's argue semantics in a traffic stop.
What's the deal, okay? I need you to step out of the vehicle because you're being placed under arrest for carrying a concealed firearm.
You're placing me under arrest for a concealed firearm.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask what led you to that decision?
Okay, well, you're carrying a concealed firearm, and that's a crime in Oregon.
Ma'am, do you recall I asked you if that was a gun underneath your jacket?
And I said yes.
Okay, so by me not being able to tell whether it was a gun or not, it was not in open plain view, right?
These are listening and hanging on their every word and then taking this false information and using it in the real world where it has real world consequences. It's disgusting.
So I'm pretty kept up to date. And again, if I'm wrong, I'll eat crow later. Okay, but this isn't the
Eating
police
crow
force.
later is not going to help me.
Okay, well it might. So, go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead and step out of the
In
vehicle.
the
You are under
meantime,
arrest.
you guys are taking something that you have no legal right to take.
Again, not the place for the argument.
I have not even said that I'm going to tow it yet, but we need you to step out now so we can get you in custody safely, and then we'll go from there. So please face that way. Please face that way and put your hands behind your back.
Ow!
Good.
Would you please
Do you need
be
2 sets of
gentle?
cuffs?
I have a right shoulder injury.
Okay.
So
Chief, will you
please
hold
be
this
gentle.
arm? We'll put 2 sets of cuffs on you.
And please
We'll do our very best. I'm only limited by these 2 cuffs.
Too right.
It'd be a little better if you were able to hold a little more still.
I'm sorry that I'm not standing still enough for you. I'm a little bit scared.
Let me check the tightness on this one.
Real quick, ma'am, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used in court of law. You have the right not to take present lawyer. If you have any questions, you can ask or to hire a lawyer, or will be appointed to represent you at no expense. Do you understand those rights, ma'am?
I'm going to double lock these just so they don't tighten up anymore.
She was charged with carrying a concealed firearm without a permit, driving with a suspended license, and no registration, no insurance.